Hello everybody, welcome to Ankara Nation Online Training. My name is Lizzie. On this channel, I'll be teaching you how to make Ankara accessories. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thank you! Today, we are on the making of our Ankara hat. These are the materials I'll be using. Ankara material, gumstay. This is a soft gumstay, not the strong one. Tape rule, scissors to cut, needle and thread. Now, pick your Ankara material. Measure out your length 20. Put your tape rule on it. 20 by 19 by 19. You cut it out. Everything you'll be cutting out when making this Ankara hat will be in 2-2. This is one length I've already cut out. The length is 20, the width is 19. You cut another one of this one, you'll be cutting out everything you'll be cutting in 2-2. This is another one. This is another one I've already cut out. When you measure it, they are the same length and the same width. You measure it, make sure they are the same. Your length is 19. Your width is 19. Your length is 20. You put them on their self. This is one. They are the same length and width. Don't forget. Turn it back to back. This is the front of the material. This is the back. Put it like this. Turn it to the back. Take the other one. Take the other one. This one. This is the front. This is the back. You will be putting this on and the front will be out. Place it on the other one. Let them be on their self like this, and use your hand to arrange them. After arranging it on their self, don't forget this is two same size of material. The length is 20, the width is 19. Now you want to fold. You fold like this. One. You fold from the width side when you are folding, not from the length. From the width side, you fold one on top like this. Use your hand to smoothen it to make them the same. Then you fold like this. Two. Use your hand to smoothen it. This is two. You fold on themselves now. Now fold again. This is three. This is how it will look like. Now don't forget, depending on how you want the flare of your art to be, that is the kind of the width and the length you'll be cutting out from your flare. If you want your art to be bigger than this one we want to make now, that means you have to increase the size of your cloth and your width as well. But if you want a smaller one than the one we want to make now, then you reduce your material than this one I want to cut now. Now you pick your tape rule and measure from this angle. Measure like this. Put your material. Remember, this is how we fold. We fold like this. This is how we fold. We fold like this, then like this. Don't forget. Then this angle now is where we want to start to measure from. Put your tape rule here on this angle and measure 3. Measure all of them round to be 3. Then you pick your scissors and cut it out. And cut it out. After cutting your 3, you measure out. Now put your tape rule here and measure from here to this point. Our flay is 5, but because of the one we are sewing in, I will measure 6. That is 1 inches for sewing allowance. So you put your tape rule here and measure 6. Turn it round and make sure your tape rule is 6 throughout. When you turn it here too, make sure it's 6. Mark it. Turn it here, make sure it's 6. Mark it. Then when you have your measurement round from here to here is 6. Pick your scissors as well and start cutting. After cutting it out, this is how it will look like. This is the 3 you measure from the down, and this is the 6 you measure. This is the excess we cut out from the flame. Now open this one. It's in 2. This will be the top of our hat. Then this is the flay of our hat. This is the flay on my head. This is how the flay will look like. Now pick your gumstay. You can use a strong gumstay or a soft gumstay. This one I'm using is a soft gumstay, depending on how you want your hat to stand on your neck, on your head. Now you cut out the same size of your material. The length of this gumstay is 20. The same size of our material, 20 by 19. You fold the same way I fold the material and measure like that. You fold 1, the way we fold our material, 1, 2, 3. Then here you measure from here the same way we measure from our material, from here to here 3, then from here to here 6, and you cut it out. This is what we have cut it. This is the down of the hat, and this is the gumstay. Now we'll be adding this gumstay inside the flay of our material. The next thing to do now, pick your tape rule. Now we want to measure the size of our head. The measurement of my head is 23. With sewing allowance is 24. Just put your tape rule on your head like this. Get your measurements and add 1 inches to whatever you measure from your head. This is the measurement of my own head. My head is 23. With sewing allowance is 24. So now whatever you are cutting, you'll be cutting it out 2, 2, 2, 2. This is 1 to place it. Then this is the other one. They are the same size of material. You place it. Whatever you are cutting out is 2, 2. Now the same way you cut out this one, you take your gumstay and cut out the same size and length. Don't forget, the measurement of my head is 23 plus sewing allowance 24. Then the width is 4 plus sewing allowance. I added 1 inches, that is 5. That means what I'm having here is 24 length. Then the width is 5. The same way you pick your gumstay, cut out the same length on your gumstay as well. That is the measurement of your head, 24. Then the width 5. They will be the same way. Now what you do is this. Open your material like this. There are two. This is okay, let's use one first. This is one of the material. This is the front of the material. This is the back. Now place it like this. Put the front down. This is the back now. Put your gumstay inside like this. Take the other one. This is the front of your material. This is the back. Now place it on it. Now you are having front of your material here and front of your material here as well. The same way you will do to your flay. When it comes to your flay, first you turn your flay back to back. This is back. You turn this one too to back. Back to back. Let them be backing themselves like this. Let them be backing themselves. You start running your stitches here. After running your stitches, then you will now put this one inside. I will show you. Let me start running my stitches. First, before you start running your stitches, start with the head of your cap. That is this one we cut out. This one too is 2. Remember, I told you that everything you are cutting out in this Ankara hat is 2. This is 1. Look at, this is the front of your material. This is the back. Place the front of your material like this. Cut out a circular shape the same size of your material on your gumstay as well. Place it on it. Don't forget, this is the front of your material, this is the back. Turn it. Put your gumstay on it the same size. Take your other material. This is the front of your material. This is the back. Place the back like this on it. The front will be outside. This is how it will look like this. You can iron it if you want. Now what you will do, the side of your hat, that one you measure with your tape on your head. You pick the cup of your hat and start sewing. You start running your stitches from the back like this. That means when you are running your stitches like this, when you want to turn, this is how it will look like. That's when you want to turn. So I will start running my stitches now. You pick your needle and thread and start running your stitches. Put them on their self. Run it from the back. Let it look like this after sewing. Start running your stitches. This is how you'll be running your stitches like this. When you turn it, let's turn. When you turn it, this is how it will look like. Like this. Continue running your stitches. That is how you sew till you get to this edge. When you sew and get to this end, where they are both meeting, when you sew and get to this end, where they are both meeting, you just fold together like this and run your stitches from here down. That is how you get the cup of your cap. Sew from here down. When you get to this end, tie your thread and cut it out. This is how your sewing look like. Now you turn it to the other side. This is the cup of our hat. Now it's remaining our flay, our Ankara flay, to add to the cup of the hat. Now pick your flay. This is your flay. Turn it back to back. This is the front of the material. This is the front of the material. Turn it back to back. Like this is the back, and this is the back also. This is the front here. Now you start running your stitches. Hold the edge together like this. and run your stitches round, not inside here now. This edge, pick your needle and thread, start running your stitches. After getting to this thing, tie your thread and cut it out. Now after sewing your flay round, look at how it look like. After sewing round, you turn it out. Remember, we sew back to back. Now we want to turn it. When you turn, this is how it will look like. This is the flay of your hat. Now after turning, pick your gum stay and fix it inside. Open it, fix your gum stay inside. After fixing in your gum stay like this, take the top of your hat. This is how you'll be sewing. Turn it like this, put your flay on it like this, hold this edge and the hat, this cap together, hold it like this and start running your stitches round. When you start running, look at how it will look like. That's how you sew. You sew from inside to inside like this. This is how it will look like. That is how you be running your stitches. See, you run your stitches round. This is how it will look like when you turn it. This is how it will look like. You continue running your stitches. Continue running your stitches. Then when you get to the end of your sewing, you tie your thread and cut. Tie your thread and cut it out. After running your stitches, this is how it will look like. Then when you turn, this is your hat. Now, we want to use our bow tie to design it. You can decide to use rose flower or sunflower or the other type of sunflower we made in our last video, but I'll be using bow tie to design the front of the Ankara hat. This is a bow tie I've already made. I will join it to the front of my hat. What you just need to do, take your UHU gum or your candle wax, add it to where you want your bow tie to stay and gum it. Leave it for some while to dry. Hold it to dry. This is how it will look like. This is how your Ankara hat will look like on your head. If you want it to be standing than this one, you just add your strong gum stay instead of using soft gum stay. This is the finished work of our Ankara hat. If this is your first time of seeing my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Ankara Nation. Thanks for watching.